the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3, a street-legal racer built for those who live for the red line. The 992.2 Facelift features a sharper rear profile and the legendary GT3 performance signature. Starting at $235,000, this silhouette is a masterclass in aerodynamic engineering and precision. The wide track and redesigned aero bumper ensure this icon dominates both the road and track. Perfect blend of heritage and future, the GT3 remains the ultimate choice for purists. The specialized chassis and wide rear haunches provide mechanical grip but feels truly infinite. Obsession with detail is everywhere, from the wing's angle to the body's precise panels. From above, the carbon fiber roof lowers the center of gravity for perfect aerodynamic balance. Central dual exhausts deliver a mechanical symphony that peaks at a screaming 9,000 RPM. A flat floor and aerodynamic fins vacuum the car to the asphalt at high speeds. Sitting millimeters off the ground, the front splitter creates high-pressure downforce to stay planted. New hood vents are critical for cooling and managing downforce on the front axle. Driver-centric layout puts every switch and dial within perfectly ergonomic reach. The interior features high-quality Alcantara and lightweight carbon fiber trim throughout the cabin. The minimalist dashboard is updated with the latest in Porsche's advanced digital technology. The Racetech steering wheel puts total control of the car's personality in your hands. A curved digital cluster provides a dedicated track view for ultimate high-speed focus. Lightweight materials and fabric pull loops remind you that every single gram counts. The center console houses the short shifter PDK selector and the car's mechanical controls. The Racetech's headliner minimizes reflections, creating a focused atmosphere for the driver. The command center is built for driving, blending luxury materials with raw, track-focused performance. Behold the heart of a legend, a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated Flat-Six with pure soul. With 510 metric horsepower, this engine is a masterpiece of high-revving performance. Massive 21-inch rear wheels transfer 450 Newton-meters of torque directly to the ground. 20-inch forged wheels feature center-lock technology taken straight from Porsche's endurance race cars. Ceramic composite brakes offer fade-free performance under the most extreme track conditions. HD matrix LED headlights house 32,000 pixels, carving a perfect path through the dark. The seamless 3D light bar integrates the Porsche lettering into one elegant aerodynamic strip. The swan-neck wing keeps airflow clean on the underside for maximum track downforce. The Porsche crest, a symbol of 75 years of racing heritage and excellence. The GT3 name is the gold standard of sports cars, commanding respect worldwide. Double wishbone front suspension provides unrivaled steering precision and massive front-end grip. The massive rear diffuser creates a vacuum effect to glue the car to the road. Titanium exhaust tips resonate with the sound of a screaming 9,000 RPM engine. Aerodynamic dual-arm mirrors reduce wind noise and help the car reach 311 km/h.